5 o'clock. Yeah. We are going to get like more than. Every minute I get every word is right back to me. And I was waiting to be inspired with that presence. I did some research on earthquake. What is earthquake? Why does it happen? So I really am into sustainable living. This planet is not ours. We have to consume in a better way.
Yeah, we went to see it together.
Kimber, do you want to say something for the Nepalese people?
We're thinking of you and feeling for you, and we wish that there was more that we could do, and we're so sorry for the suffering that you're going through right now, and people are working together to bring you whatever's needed so that you can work together to overcome this terrible event.
Thank you.
Namaste.
Nepal is such a beautiful country. I had the privilege of going there 15 years ago, and I still feel very close to the people of Nepal. So I'm so happy to be here, supporting this worthwhile cause for Nepal.
Thank you so much.
Sending out a message of peace and hope to all my Nepalese brothers and sisters. I know this is a terrible, terrible tragedy, but we're here with you. We're raising money. We're sending our prayers. Namaste.
Thank you so much.
Oh, say something?
Yeah.
Hey, I wish that everyone, a prayer to well-being of everyone there.
Thank you.
To everyone who's suffering, I hope they just recover well, and I'm so sorry about what's happening.
Thank you.
आज हामी टिस्टा हिमालय परिवारले नेपालको लागि नेपालको भूकम्प पीडितहरूको लागि फन्ड रेज गरिरहेका छौँ। यहाँका मानिसहरूले हामीलाई निकै सपोर्ट गरिराख्नु भएको छ र उहाँहरूले नेपालप्रति एकदमै माया गरिराख्नु भएको छ र उहाँहरूले प्रेम पनि गरिराख्नु भएको छ।
अनि अहिलेसम्म कतिजना मान्छे आए जस्तो लाग्छ मलाई? कति एक्सपेक्ट गर्दै हुन्छ?
अहिलेसम्म 50 जना आइसक्नु भएको छ र अहिले समय पनि धेरै भएको छैन। हामीले 5 बजेदेखि 10 बजेको समय राखेको छौँ र अहिले 6 पनि बजेको छैन, त्यसमा 50 जनासम्म आइसक्नु भएको छ र हाम्रो एक्सपेक्ट गरेको 100 भन्दा बढी हुन्छ। 100 देखि लिएर 206 जनासम्मको एक्सपेक्टेसन छ।
अनि यो फन्डरेजिङ चाहिँ के गर्ने प्लान छ तपाईको?
यो फन्डरेजिङ चाहिँ हामीले कलेक्ट गरेर लायन्स क्लब इन्टरनेसनललाई दिने र लायन्स क्लब इन्टरनेसनलको थ्रुबाट चाहिँ नेपालमा भूकम्प पीडितहरूलाई पठाउने प्लान छ।
Can you say something?
I would like to send love and support to the wonderful people of Nepal. I hope you find strength and healing.
We send blessings from Berkeley to you and hope that you're well. God bless you.
Thank you so much. Do you want to say something?
Hi, Blessings from Northern California, and our hearts are with you.
Thank you so much.
धन्यवाद ध्रुव भाइ शिष्टाचार अभियान नेपालको तर्फबाट हामी अहिले यहाँ बर्कली टेस्ट अफ द हिमालयजमा छौँ र यो बडो राम्रो सबभन्दा राम्रो काम भएको छ अहिले यो विपत्तिको अवसरमा टेस्ट अफ द हिमालयजले यहाँका पीडितहरूलाई एउटा चाहिँ यो बफे आयोजना गरेको छ त्यसबाट आएको सम्पूर्ण रकम चाहिँ त्यहाँ पुर्याउने बडो महत्त्वपूर्ण काम गरेकोमा टेस्ट अफ द हिमालयज लगायत थापा परिवारलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद
So much for opening your restaurant to this important event and the chance to bring us all together who are wanting to reach out in any way possible. Before I came today, I went online and found a posting of a very beautiful poem that described my feelings on Friday night when I first got the message of the tragedy, and I went to print it out today to bring it tonight. I thought I would share it with some people, and when I went to print it out I realized it was your poem, and it was extremely expressive of my feelings in the last few days. I thank you very much. Namaste.
And from the taste of humanity, we are united.
5 o'clock.
Oh, that's great.
And then on top of that, I heard that the earthquake would help us. Yeah, I heard.
Okay.
I thought it was just cash. I went to the
You didn't give me any money?
No.
That's good.